And the race is on 1A Discovery Pick from the outside by the release Flare Bottoms, My Jopeng, Dynamic Love Bangge, and Gandamexia. Flare Bottoms, the leader, followed by My Jopeng, Discovery Pick. Dynamic Love is racing forward by Alenken Hub. Inside the last 700, Flare Bottoms by Upland. My Jopeng in the middle. Alongside is 1A Discovery Pick. Dynamic Love is getting close to import and Gandamexia. And rounding the far turn, Discovery Big My Jopeng fighting it out for the lead. Dynamic Love, Flare Bottoms, and Gandamexia as they swing for home. 1A Discovery Pick and My Jopeng Danori inside in the middle. Gandamexia and Dynamic Love, Flare Bottoms, Danori inside Bangge. Discovery Pick 1A and Gandamexia and nearing the finish line 1A Discovery Pick and Gandamexia in second. Third, Dynamic Love, My Jopeng, Flare Bottoms, and Bangge.